Hey guys, welcome again. Today we will learn MACD. I'll start straight away. Just let me close my Bollinger. Yes. And in this MACD, again, as an indicator, we are opening indicator parts and we are typing MACD. The first one we're clicking on, and as you can see, there is a chart opened. Let me make it bigger. Yes, I think you can see the lines were clear, so I'm not gonna make it thicker. In MACD, you need to know if there is a line that is important. Let me just make it, change the color. Let's make it, because it's already pink, you know, let's make it orange. I think it's very obvious now. Yeah. When there is a downtrend, you can see the line like that under of this level. As you know, we just set our horizontal line in the, actually there is zero, but I cannot stop it there. Just think this is a zero level. Let me, okay, let's think this is zero. Okay, now I cannot find, as you can see, I just set it negative 2.31. It's pretty close, but not all. This is important level. When these candles drop down under this level, we will know there is a downtrend, there is something drops. And when we see there is a green, as you can see, the candles upside of this level, we will know market goes up, everything's good, smooth, like that. So that's why it's important. In MACD, you can also understand, as you can see, there is a rise, and also you see that rise on the charts. Let me get closer, and it's going like that, and when it's dropped down, you see there is a color change and it turned back under zero level. You can also see that, you know, in moving average we saw golden cross, there is some crossing lines, same as here. When you see there is this blue line cross this orange line and it's go rise, it's go up, you will see there is a uptrend, their price will rise. And there's two confirmation. First of all, our candles upside of zero level, and also we see their cross, this blue crossing the orange, and there's two things that we can confirm this rise. And as you can see on the graphic, it's rise, and when this blue lines cross the orange from up to down, you can see a drop over here. And as you can see, there is also what's that, candles under of this zero line. When you see this cross down, and when you see that lines turn under of this line, you can expect a drop over there. And also you can see, as here, there is a drop. So after it's going up just a bit, but it's keep dropping. When it, let me just delete it. When it's drop down more, but this color get lighter, we can think that yes, there is a drop, but the power getting lower. As you can see, there is small candles. We know that small candles mean weak, strong, a weak power. It's getting upside of the zero line, and there is also, I see, cross, again another cross, and it's also giving sign it's gonna rise. And as you can see, this light color turn into red upside of the line, and also I get another confirmation, another signal as a cross, the blue cross the orange, and I got like 3 confirmation, and I will know there is a rise. As you can see, and I can show with that, when you understand this, you can get like 8% of profit if you're making long over there. So this indicator is really important to understand price movements and get confirmation about price movement. You can make your lines, you can make your support, resistance, trend lines. That's okay, you can keep making them, they're important, but alone they are not really matter, because you need to get, same as I told you, when you are see some breakdown, you need to get confirmation as much as you can. So here, let's say there is a breakout and you saw some cross inside the MACD indicator, then you will be sure about it. If you see another signal, you will, like, you know, you will get more confidence about that trade. That's why it's important to know all of this. And there's another different things that I need to tell you about MACD. Let me just try to find some volatility part. I'll just change Bitcoin because it's like, you know, let's look at Ethereum. That might have more volatility. Just let me delete some things. Yes, it seems better. I can say that when you under of that zero line, it's deleted. Let me just make it like that. You will get it as 0, and finally that time I'm closer 0.06. When you are under that zero line, and if you see there is some cross, like up cross, it will be stronger than when there is a up cross over this zero zone. So when you are in negative area and you see positive movement, this is stronger than when you see in positive area positive movements, you know. Like when you see there's a cross, like as you can see, it's going very straight. Like when you see there's a cross as under of the negative area, you will see there's a huge movement. And when you see in positive area cross down, there is also one cross, the blue one cross the orange one, and it's a drops. When you see in positive area negative movement, that's also huge. As you can see, there is like, let me just take it. So you see that, and like 40, almost half percentage drops. So that you need to know. When you are in positive area, negative movement, negative signal is strong. When you are negative area, positive movement, it's strong. It's opposite. That's you need to know when you are looking some things, looking some trades in MACD indicators. So you need to use it with, you can also use it with RSI. You can add RSI indicators. See, when price came here, you see the RSI telling you to sell because it's over the 70%, 7 line. And same as on MACD, there is a cross down, and these two indicators telling you to sell. And if you listen them, if you sell, you will save your money like 21%. There is have zigzag movement, you know, that happens, but that's okay. And also when you are, let me just go back. See, why this coming here? Let me just make it, yeah. See, when you are here, you see that RSI telling you to buy because it's already down of the 30 level. And you can also see on the MACD, you can get another signal. It's crossing up. You can get, when you are here, you can get 31% of profit. So when you are combining these indicators with each other, also you using your lines, your other formations with candlesticks, that will be very useful. It will give you very like almost 100% almost result to support your trades. So these are important. You need to combine all of them. You can add here Bollinger Bands, and you can add here rest of formation that you learned till now. So when you understand how to combine them each other, you will see the market with very, very clear eyes. That's it.